Good day, everyone. I hope everybody is safe. I am Dr. Luisito Masanga. I've been in the academe for the past 11 years, and my industry experience is 34 years, exposed in manufacturing industry and service industry. Okay, what are the benefits watching my tutorial videos? Well, according to marketing management, the product serves as a solution to the problem of the consumer, or it might be an opportunity to some consumers. Here, a lot of students right now, since it is pandemic, the trend is online education, they have inadequacy learning things through online, simply because probably the methodology is not appropriate to them, or they might not have the enough or resources, or maybe poor internet connectivity. Well, this tutorial video can help you improve and increase your knowledge, skills, and ability. The knowledge is the depth and width of your uh, knowledge on that particular topic, and the skills could be, improve your complex problem solving skills, improve your critical thinking skills, improve your creativity skills, and the ability to apply theories and concepts to actual practice. Yes, that is true. How? By capturing the four types of learners, meaning to say my tutorial videos can capture the four types of learners. First is the visual learners. This is the type of learners wherein they are very skillful, they're very strong, this is their strength, watching the videos through this, because they are considered visual learners. And there is also the auditory learners, and this type of learners is very skillful. Their strength is they have the listening skills. They can easily grasp the lesson, the topic, no, that is being discussed through tutorial videos. And there is also the reading and writing learners, and this type of learners, while watching and listening, they can take down notes. They even use colorful stabilo to capture and reflect their salient points they want to emphasize. And there is also a kinesthetic learner, and this type of learner is, they want physical activity while learning, maybe cooking while watching and listening to my videos, or maybe they want, if they have data, they use their smartphone and they plug in their headset and they go biking, skateboarding, or doing any physical activity, because their strength is in multitasking. So these are the benefits watching my tutorial videos. I want to provide you a solution to your concern, or an opportunity, by helping you improving or increasing your knowledge, skills, and ability. So let's start.